off.
Do you want to use this for Esther for the knives there?
Go.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful night or wonderful morning, wonderful evening, or depending on where you are in the world. Where I am right now, in the state where I am in America, it's night. So guys, how are you? First of all, cheers. Tomorrow is Valentine. Who is your Valentine? Enjoy, guys. Okay, guys, it's something so different. First, let me have it, right? Cheers, guys. I ordered these things from Amazon. You know, if you know me, you know that I love KitchenAid. Most of my things in my kitchen, most of it, it's KitchenAid. So I decided to change some stuff up in my kitchen. So I ordered some knives and I ordered a chopping board. Guys, I think I'm having a little of that drink. So I'm going to replace the knives that I have here and the chopping board. So I'm going to replace this. And these, they're still KitchenAid, but I just wanted something different. They're KitchenAid, guys. But I saw these on Amazon. These knives that I saw on Amazon, they were just so beautiful, so good. I'm like, you know what? Let me change it up. So I'll get the knife. This is KitchenAid. All these are KitchenAid. I love KitchenAid. So let's open. Let me see if we can keep it or we can return it. That's one thing I like about Amazon. Very easy to return and very easy for them to ship. You order it today, the following day you have it. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what we can do, guys. I'm not good with this, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Don't worry, guys. Mind you, I told you I ordered these on Amazon. So if you're interested, you love any of the things that I'm going to open today, it's Amazon. Just go to Amazon and you can order and they'll ship it to you. If you are in the US, I think you'll get it same day. Depending on where you are, it may take some time. For those people in Africa. So let's see. Woo! Guys, look at that. Let me put this, let me remove my Amalula. Alright, so if you're interested to buy this, the links on my YouTube, it will be below. So you just check it out there. And you go to the website and it will be able to tell you. Look at that. Woo! God, it's a beautiful chopping board. It's heavy. Woo! Follow me, guys. Come here, guys. Oh my God, it's going to take up a lot of my space. Let's put the knives this way because now we're going to pack them up. And you know what I'll do? I'll send this to Africa because I'm not just going to waste it. So this. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Now I'm going to open the knives and come and put them here. So join me, guys. All right, let's open this now. Remember, guys, I told you check it out on Amazon, okay? The chopping board. These are the knives that I'm going to open, okay? Oh my God. Counting down to Valentine. I don't know what my husband has for me for Valentine. Let's open this. Whew. I just saw them. I'm like, oh my God, these are nice. Nice on Amazon. So I'm like, you know what? Why not? We pack them so tight. Woo! These people. Woo! Make it harder for people to open. Oh my God. This is too much. Maybe I would have used a knife. For those who are just joining in, I ordered this from Amazon. The link will be below. When you watch my YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to Anna K in the USA. Okay, guys, I need more subscribers. More subscribers, guys. More subscribers. Tell your friend to tell their friends to subscribe to Anna K in the USA. Tell your friend to tell their friends to subscribe. It's Anna K in the USA. Ooh. Okay. Those people are just joining in who didn't watch from the beginning. This is KitchenAid. I'm so obsessed by KitchenAid. Most of my things in my house, especially my appliances in the kitchen, it's all KitchenAid. Everything is KitchenAid. Okay, let me remove it from the box and I'll show you nicely. Already, oh, it's packed nicely. Ooh, look at that. This is what's in there. There you go. Oh, the gas open. Okay. Wow. Professionally packed. Of course they have to. These are expensive. Expensive knives. Whew, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, more boxes. This is too much. Ooh. Amazon, you make these things complicated. Oh my goodness. Just a minute, honey. Don't throw that away, please. Honey, please, I need to see what's inside there. Anything? Okay, leave this, please, so I can see how their things are put together. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, put it upside down. It's like that. Where is it? Okay, KitchenAid. It goes like that. Alright. Instructions. Okay, let's open these knives now. Oh, I'm telling you, they really pack them so good. Oh my God, I've never seen knives packed like this in my life. Wow. No wonder they're expensive. Ooh. Wow. How can they not be expensive like this? Look at this. Wow. Woo. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. I'm loving them. I am loving these. I am loving them. I think this is small. Oh, no. Do you think it's like that, honey?
I don't know.
No, I think it's like this. Huh?
Yeah, you got three the same height and one short one.
Yes. Yep. Then we have the scissors. The KitchenAid, the labeled KitchenAid. I'm just obsessed by KitchenAid. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm so obsessed by KitchenAid. Is it for down here? You know, see, we can always change it up. If it's not, we can always. Ooh. Oh. Wow. I think so. Which means maybe this one is for here. We'll change it up if it's not.
I think all the lower ones are steak knives.
Oh, these steak knives.
Well, but they all be the same height, so you'll figure it out. That's a bread knife in your left hand.
Okay, so the bread knife, where do we put it here?
I'd put it up on top, yeah.
This, I bet it's here.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Nope.
Nope. Oh my God, these people are driving me nuts.
Yeah, well,
Oh,
the steak knives are all on the bottom.
then where do they expect the other one to go?
Well, you'll figure it out.
Okay, so this has to go somewhere. Okay, yeah, there we go.
What's that real tall one in the middle there?
Huh?
That's got to go somewhere else.
Where do you want it to go?
I don't know. I don't know. It's like
It
weird.
makes sense. No, it goes inside too
You should
much.
have 6 steak knives. They shall
No,
be the
this
same.
one should, yeah, those makes Oh, this is a bread knife.
That's a bread knife.
Look.
What's this one here? I don't know.
Maybe it's so different from the other ones. I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what's this one up here?
Which one?
No, that's not it.
No. I think that's the way it's supposed to be.
Well,
I don't know why
if
this
you
one
look
is
at the
taller.
picture, you look at the picture.
So why is this one taller?
I don't know. honey.
And this is a steak knife like others.
This
Look.
is far too complicated for me. This is your kitchen, so I don't know. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Good job.
Oh
Very
my
nice.
goodness. Whew, so guys, this is the way it comes to. Come on, join me. Join me, join me, join me. Join me. Be careful, honey, because of the thing there. Already.
Don't take the sharpener off. It's got a built-in sharpener.
Where is it?
That thing right there.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just leave it until sharpener. Where is the sharpener? I can't
It's
find it.
built in.
Oh, it's built in? Yeah, I will remove it when I'm ready to use it. For now, I'm just leaving it like that, guys. Oh, yeah, it's so sticky and whatever. I'll tell my husband to help me, not today. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is that? Hey! I love it. Look at that. What do you think, guys? The one which I had or now? I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. That's what we call KitchenAid knives. Those are beautiful. Nice. I love them. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining in. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just want to let you know, happy Valentine's tomorrow to everybody. Hope you have a good time. You enjoy your day, okay? And I just want to let you know that God loves you and I love you too. Okay, so that's all. I just want to take this opportunity and time to say thank you very, very much for watching my video, for spending time to watch my video, to subscribe to my video, for being there for me. Just say thank you, thank you, thank you. May you stay blessed because I know how time is so precious to everybody. So stay blessed and thank you and be blessed, okay? And bye-bye. But don't forget, those knives and the chopping board, I got it from Amazon. So it will be posted, the link below on my YouTube, okay? Check it out and you'll love it. You'll never regret. Those knives. Bye.